Alright, so today we're going to be doing some gar fishing. We're going to go shoot some carp right now, or try at least to get some bait. And then there's going to be 4 or 5 of us fishing. And as you can tell, it is really windy. Like, blowing probably 30, and the northern just blew in last night. So if y'all can't hear me, sorry. But we're going to do our best today and try and catch a gar or something.
Yeah, that's one, bro.
Oh, yeah. Right now?
Is that him?
Right.
Alright, he's slowly coming this way. Oh yeah. Bro, your phone sucks at focusing.
Well, when you tap it like that, it makes a really loud noise, so try not to tap it a lot.
Alright guys, I'm gonna switch cameras real quick. There's a carp we got, or will got. Yeah. Sorry that this shot wasn't really in focus. I tried my best to try to get it to focus. That's a good carp.
Dude, it's really fat. I didn't think she was this big.
That's all we need, right? I doubt we need more
yeah,
bait.
that's probably all we need. Alright, I'm gonna dispatch her right now. How should I do it? To the side of the head?
Yeah. Hard head.
Super hard head.
I would just hit it with a hammer.
There we go, I got it in. There we go.
Alright. So now it's pretty much dead.
Yeah, it's dead. Now we got bait. It's a good shot. Alright, so I have one of my rods here. I don't know if y'all can't, no, y'all can't see the orange bobber. But I have one on this side, and one on this side. We're here. Alright, so my float, y'all can barely see it. Right over there. And it's taking line. So we just went underwater right now. Hopefully it's not a turtle, but it could be. But it might be a gar as well because it is cold, so they're moving really slow on the bottom. Running for about a minute and a half probably. And honestly, I don't know where the bobber is because we went to go check that rod. So I'm just gonna reel until it gets tight. Ready? Oh, that's something big. Oh, gar. Oh, it's a huge gar, dude.
Really?
Look at the splash. It just came up.
Oh,
I'm not huge, but it's probably bigger than 4, I bet. It looked big when it came up. I'm gonna have to tire him out. Let's walk on this side, because I'd rather fight from this side.
Want to use your headlamp? Yeah, use it. Or like film. Film with it. Or not film, but shine light with it. You have it, right? Yeah. Shine it out there? Shine find it? Right here. Right there. I'm gonna loosen up a little bit on it.
he's here or what?
Right there. I just want to see how big he is.
Oh, that's 6 foot.
No, that's probably 4. He's 4.5, 5.
No, no, he hauled ass into the wall. I felt him.
I know. Oh, he's bigger than I thought.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
He's 5, at least. He's just skinny. I'm used to the one at my dad's house where they're just freaking
Massive.
4 footers, 100
yeah.
pounds.
We got a beast.
Oh, let's see if I can bring him up.
We got a beast.
Oh my god! Look at him right there. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
Holy shit, dude, that guy's fat. He's fat.
Dude! I'm letting him go. I'm not gonna keep him.
I know.
If
He's
he gets off,
fat,
he gets
though.
off. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, I won't be mad.
You gonna take a picture with him?
Yeah, I'm gonna get him up on land. That's why I had that harness there.
It was funny, he took off into the wall. All I felt was the vibration when he hit it. At least you didn't foul hook him like the other one.
Hey, he hooked himself.
Look at his tip of the mouth where he hit himself.
What the heck's that? A snake?
Did he throw up? I think he threw
He
up.
threw up a snake.
Could have been, no. Could have been another, no. I think it was a snake.
That was a snake.
Because the tail, it was real pointed.
Yeah, it was a diamondback water snake. Look at them.
Head thrashes.
Yeah, first with head shape.
Ooh.
You don't like that. Well, neither would I.
What's the combo?
This is a Pin Slammer 3 4500, 30 pound. What is it called? The slick Power Pro, whatever it is, with 80 pound leader to what is it? To like 150 pound swivel, then to 150 pound wire. Wire to a little treble hook.
I'm being fucking serious, bro.
I just gonna I'm getting him tired right now.
Holy crap.
No, he's girthy.
Bro,
Oh,
Yeah.
again, fucking ran to the wall.
He did it the first time.
oh.
Bro, as soon as y'all left.
As soon as you left,
Yeah.
the float started taking off. That's the second time he ran to the wall.
I know. Dude, the first time he hit it way harder.
The whole floor vibrated.
Not even.
No.
You have the measuring tape? Yeah. I bring it up over here. I stop recording? No, keep recording.
Take the harness off.
Damn, so girthy.
So girthy.
Stop him from going over there. Stop the garage.
Oh, don't slap me. I'll slap you back.
Dude, the more you cooperate, the faster you can get in the water. Who's got boots on? Gilbert, come here. Come step on his bottom jaw to keep it down. Is it hard?
Let me see.
Hold on.
Ooh, yeah, it's kind of far. Well, not that far, but...
Okay. Wait, no, and then I'm gonna get another
no,
one for
it's
the bottom
in
of
it,
his
it's in
jaw.
it still. You're gonna have to just put scissors in there and cut it.
Don't drop this.
You need longer pliers in the
that's
middle glove
really
compartment.
far down the throat.
In the middle glove compartment, Austin, there's
I'm just gonna have-
pliers. Longer pliers.
Cut it.
I'm just gonna cut it through the side of his gill. Oh yeah, I can.
Oh.
That almost got my hand.
I just heard the thump of his mouth.
Okay, I feel it. Hold this. Can you follow? Okay, right now, Austin, follow this up on my hand.
Where, on the top of the bottom?
Just go in between my fingers.
Where?
Yeah, right there.
Where?
You're good. Go. Push. Make sure they're closed. Push.
Okay.
Okay.
Now it's trying to cut the wire.
Got it.
You got it?
Yep.
Now, get the rope off, take a picture of him, and we'll release him. Best part about hunting and fishing, gotta get that picture.
Alright, they can last outside of the water for a good while.
Yeah, they breathe there. I'm putting the harness back on him now.
I just dump him in.
No, I'm gonna revive him.
I don't think you have to with a
No, I'm gonna revive him.
to.
Or wait, no, he won't.
Okay, I'm ready.
No, there he goes.